Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Going to read through this full article pretty much. There's a link in the description, and I'll start off with a trigger warning. This is a pretty grim subject. A mother and her boyfriend face trial over the murder of their 9-year-old boy, who was neglected and abandoned and found in a critical condition at their Worcestershire home. Worcestershire being in England. So we're going to read through the full details. Here's a picture of 9-year-old Alfie Steele, who died after being neglected. So we're going to have a look at the details. A mother and her boyfriend will go on trial accused of murdering her 9-year-old son and subjecting him to months of cruelty. Alfie Steele was discovered at the family home in Droitwich, Worcestershire, England, on February the 18th last year. He was airlifted to Birmingham's Queen Elizabeth Hospital in a critical condition, but died hours later. His mother, Carla Scott, and her partner, Dirk Howell, today denied murder and causing or allowing the death of a child. So Carla Scott, the mother, Dirk Howell, the mother's boyfriend. Dirk Howell, the mother's boyfriend, admitted causing cruelty to a person under 16, while the mother denied the charge. The couple are accused of willfully assaulting, ill-treating, neglecting, and abandoning Alfie in the run-up to his death. They both appeared via video link from their prisons for the 20-minute hearing at Worcester Crown Court. Alfie was said to be at a significant risk of serious physical harm, and the mother either caused his death by her own unlawful act or failed to take steps to protect him. Prosecutors claim having the responsibility for Alfie Steele, a child under that age, willfully assaulted, ill-treated, neglected, abandoned, or exposed Alfie Steele in a manner likely to cause Alfie Steele unnecessary suffering or injury to health. The pair were remanded in custody and will appear at court for a 6-week trial at the City Court on October the 4th, later this year. Following Alfie's death, devastated relatives paid tribute to the football and rugby-mad youngster who attended Whitton Middle School in Droitwich. So I'm going to read through some of the tributes for Alfie Scott. So Alfie's granddad, Paul Scott, has said, "We're completely devastated by the loss of Alfie. He had a smile that would melt butter. He was intelligent and inquisitive and was courageous like a lion. He was a good Christian boy who was full of God. He would never shy away from anything and had no fear. He loved Worcester Warriors Rugby Club, and I will always have my lovely memories of taking him to watch Arsenal matches." Alfie's brother and sisters said Alfie was a bright boy and he was always creative and imaginative. "We loved to watch videos and play football with him, and we are going to miss telling him to shut up at night." "We love him and he is always going to be in our hearts." Local residents marked Alfie's death by displaying blue teddies and drawings of bears in their windows. One said, "He was such a smiley, happy boy. When I saw the 2 air ambulances land by the house, I just felt numb. It's heartbreaking for a life to be lost at such a young age." So there's the full article. There's the mother, Carla Scott, the mother's boyfriend, Dirk Howell. And here's Alfie, the 9-year-old. An intelligent, inquisitive, creative boy, loved by his grandfather, loved by his brothers and sisters. And he's been killed, allegedly, at the hands of either or both the mother and the mother's boyfriend. So the trial has started. The article tells us that the mother's boyfriend has been belligerent during the trial proceedings. He's arguing with the court. He's complaining There's been a video link. There's been a video link court hearing or such, and he was been complaining about technical issues and so forth. He's been complaining about his treatment. I'm shaking my head. Such a sad story, such a sad, tragic situation. The loss of life of a 9-year-old boy, completely innocent, much loved. I hope the trial goes ahead. It is going ahead. It said in October for a 6-week trial in October. Let's hope that justice is served. Let's hope that either or both jailed. If they're found to be guilty, then jailed for a very long time. Boris Johnson still hasn't instigated the automatic life imprisonment sentencing law, which is being considered, I believe. So if they're not able to get life in prison, let's give them as long as time as is possible. Again, condolences to the extended family. Alfie's brothers and sisters are absolutely destroyed. His grandfather too. So best wishes to all.